Let me ask you a question. Have you ever thought about how many earning members are in your family? Most people would answer one or two, including their spouse. However, this way of thinking can be a major obstacle in achieving financial freedom, even after retirement. One vital family member that earns for you should never be forgotten. It is your invested money. With the power of compounding, your investments can double or even triple in value. And the day when your invested money earns much more than the living family members, then you will be financially free forever. Therefore, never underestimate the power of invested money and always try to strengthen it. Welcome to our channel. This is your host Jitendra Shrivastav. Here we provide smart investment ideas and tips to focus on your investment portfolio and take it to a new height of wealth creation. In our videos, we explore the secrets of personal finance with simple explanations and easy to follow methods. We hope you find them helpful. Stay healthy and wealthy as a smart investor. See you soon.